Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal and today I'm gonna share these two easy open hair hairstyle. So yeah, let's get started. So for the first one, take a small portion of hair from your crown area and secure it with rubber band. Now pull out some hair to make it look like puff. Now take a small section of hair from the front from any side and just bring it to the back. Now wrap it around that tiny ponytail and you have to wrap it to the halfway only and secure it with the pins. Okay, so now take a small portion of hair from another side and bring it to the back. Now wrap it to the halfway only and secure it with the pins. And it's gonna look like a small French twist here. So yeah, that's it for the first one. Now for the second one, this hairstyle is inspired by famous hairstylist Sarah. Okay, so we're starting by middle partition. Now take one strand from the top crown area and twist it. Now take another strand from the crown area and twist it with the first one. And here we're gonna twist it in downward direction. So basically we can call it upside down twist because everything we are doing in this hairstyle is just opposite from what we do normally. So yeah, we have to bring this twisted strand to the ear and secure it with the pins. Now we have to do the same thing on the other side. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I have mentioned my ID on the screen, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.